everybody, from the bus stop talk with Daddy and
the Illustrator.
So today, what are we talking about, the Miss Nevaeh?
Cars.
Cars.
Alright.
Cars. What is your favorite car if you have one?
Cadillac.
Cadillac. Do you like to ride in style?
Mhm.
Oh yeah. Grandpa Homer has a pretty nice Cadillac.
Oh, yeah.
Pretty blue one.
He does. Did he paint that himself?
No, I think he just buffed it out.
He did?
Yeah, he didn't have to paint it when he bought it.
So somebody painted over it and he had to buff it?
To make it look good.
So, Daddy, what's your favorite car?
Well, Daddy would like to have either a Chevelle
Or a truck?
Yeah, Daddy would like a truck. Preferably a Chevy.
I thought you didn't like Chevy.
No, Daddy likes Chevy.
Oh, you don't like Fords.
Might get some bad feedback from this video. A lot of people like Fords.
Just not
Dad
Daddy.
don't.
That's just how he rolls.
Yeah, that's just how I roll, huh? I mean, I might do a Dodge. Not a Ford.
Very unlikely he'd do a Ford. Very unlikely.
Maybe if my life depended on it. So do you have a
Joke of the day.
joke of the day today?
Yeah. Knock knock.
Who's there?
Car.
Car who?
Cadillac.
Car.
You drive.
Oh, Nevaeh. Did you make that one up too?
Yeah. I like making jokes up. Nobody's ever heard them before.
What about that joke that you had on the paper from school? What's
Oh
that one?
yeah. What's your bird say for Valentine's Day?
I don't know. What does birds say for Valentine's Day?
Tweetheart.
Tweetheart. Oh man.
Or my tweetheart.
What was that really funny one on there?
Was it the paperclip one?
I don't know. Might have been.
What did the magnet say to the paperclip?
What?
You're attractive.
Oh man. So, what's at school today? Do you have art, music?
Today's Wednesday, right?
Yep.
Art.
Art. Dad's favorite is art.
I really like music.
And live music too. Both of them are a good combination.
But I also really, really like library because I really, really like to read.
You really like to read. Yes, you do. This girl reads a chapter book in like 2 days.
True. That is true. Very true.
So, it's raining. Actually, no. We have some thunderstorms today in Ohio in the end of February. Like, we really didn't have no real winter. We had maybe 2 snowfalls. Man, that's Ohio for you.
Yeah,
Ohio's crazy.
it is. Well, I made a snowman and named it Frosty Jr., but he melted the next day before I got to finish him.
Well, y'all, here comes Miss Nevaeh's bus. So,
Ooh, a bus is a kind of car.
yes, transportation, very important. Transportation is a luxury. So, but here comes her bus to come pick this little one up. Don't forget to
Like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already.
All right, everybody. You guys have a wonderful day. We'll see you tomorrow in the AM. Bye.
Bye.